Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In part one of this two-part video, I looked at is breakfast the most important meal of the day, the connection between glucose and glycogen, the differences between a high fat and protein versus high carbohydrate breakfast, home-cooked versus prepared breakfast, and the rationale for eating a 700-calorie breakfast. Part 2 has sample 700-calorie breakfasts, including breakfasts that require no preparation or cooking. For some people, eating breakfast is unthinkable for a variety of reasons. But breakfast can be a wide variety of foods and beverages. There is no scientific evidence that you must eat a large breakfast first thing in the morning. You can spread breakfast calories throughout your morning. No cooking required breakfast covers a wide range of foods, including cookies, sweet rolls, donuts, and bagels, and dozens of fast food and casual restaurant breakfast items. Power and protein bars have become very popular in the last couple of years, but many inflate their protein and fiber content by using inexpensive sources of protein and fiber. Protein bars are convenient, but they're more like candy bars disguised as health foods. In this example, you get 5 times more food for 35 less calories. You also get more fiber, no added sugar, and 30% more protein. Fruit and berries are one of nature's convenience foods. They're low in calories and high in fiber, flavonoids, and antioxidants. Toaster pastries and fruit bars have more refined flour and sugar than fruit. Some zero-fat yogurts provide the protein of a power bar for a fraction of the added sugar, but provides zero fiber. While less convenient than a power bar, this low-fat yogurt with granola and fruit provides 13 ounces of food for less than 400 calories, 8 grams of fiber, and 24 grams of protein. Cold breakfast cereals have been around for over 100 years. Their nutritional value and the number of calories varies widely. Healthier choices are breakfast cereals that don't include sugar as the first item in the list of ingredients. Nuts and seeds are another of nature's convenience foods. 1 ounce of nuts has about 170 calories. You get 2 grams of fiber and 6 grams of protein. Donuts and pastries are high carbohydrate, low fiber and protein foods. For about 100 calories more, you get 5 times the protein of a glazed donut and 0 added sugar. Starch is converted to glucose, but absorption is slower than eating foods with added sugar. If you're concerned about protein in your diet, adding lean meat protein for breakfast is a good way of obtaining 20 or more grams per serving. For about the same number of calories as many protein bars, about 4 ounces of canned sardines provides 22 grams of protein and 1,700 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. If you want to reduce the number of added chemicals in your diet, there are a variety of foods you can make ahead and refrigerate or freeze until ready to use. You can also prepare foods a variety of ways, providing 700 calories or less, and in this example, between 8 to 23 milligrams of protein. The reason many Americans are overweight is due to supersized foods and meals. Providing value means providing more calories than most people need. In many cases, ordering dessert following a meal adds surplus calories that go straight to body fat. But if you take your favorite dessert home and have it for breakfast the following day, your calorie counter has been reset to 0. Your body uses the calories for fuel and stores surplus calories as glycogen instead of body fat. Cooked breakfasts are not as convenient, but open up a wider variety of foods. Eggs have been a popular breakfast staple for hundreds of years. It provides 6 grams of high-quality protein for about 70 calories. But there's still debate about the effects of food cholesterol on blood cholesterol. A variety of easy-to-make egg sandwiches can provide about 20 grams of protein for less than 400 calories. Like any food, the number of calories increases with serving size and the type of ingredients used. This sample breakfast provides a little over 12 ounces of food for about 650 calories. On the lighter side, this 140-calorie baked custard provides 7 grams of protein. 7 ounces of oatmeal with no added sugar provides about 3 grams of fiber and 4 grams of protein for 120 calories. You can double or triple the amount of fiber by adding fruit, nuts, and other high-fiber ingredients. A serving of restaurant French toast can easily top 1,000 calories. This version, for under 700 calories, provides 18 grams of protein. Restaurant and prepared muffins can easily exceed 600 calories, while large homemade muffins range between 275 to 360 calories. Convenience comes at a price. Restaurants are in business to give customers what they want, not what they need. In most cases, American restaurant fast and casual foods equals fat foods. Restaurant breakfast foods tend to be high in calories, saturated fat, sodium, and added sugar, while low in fiber, nutritional value, and have chemical additives and preservatives. Even healthy-sounding foods like smoothies and energy bowls can have 10 teaspoons or more of added sugar. Homemade versions can be made with 0 added sugar. U.S. restaurant meals have also been supersized to give customers the value they expect, not the nutrition they need. Homemade breakfasts allow you to control the ingredients, portion size, and nutrition value of your meals. They can also have less sodium and added sugar, provide more variety than you'll find at restaurants, can save you money, and reduce the number of chemical additives and preservatives in your foods. The beverages you choose to go with your breakfast can provide between 0 and 600 or more calories. The calories usually comes from added fat and sugar. You can add 0 calories and caffeine by drinking plain, unflavored, uncaffeinated water. Water is the basis for making coffee. Without adding sugar, milk, or cream, an 8-ounce serving has about 2 calories. Milk adds about 9 calories per tablespoon, sugar 16 calories per teaspoon, and cream about 50 calories per tablespoon. The same applies to tea. Unsweetened tea has about 2 calories per 8-ounce serving. 8 ounces of whole cow's milk has about 160 calories, but provides 8 grams of protein. Orange juice is a popular breakfast beverage. 8 ounces has about 110 calories and 21 grams of sugar, while providing little or no fiber because most of the pulp is usually removed. Homemade fruit smoothies can be a good source of protein with no added sugar and less than 300 calories per serving. Some takeaways from this video is that breakfast can be a wide variety of foods and beverages. Breakfast can provide a few hundred calories, 700 calories, or any number of calories your body needs. Breakfast calories can be spread throughout the morning, and limiting processed and restaurant foods can reduce calories, sodium, and chemical additives. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating!